another Epicflows Production.
Yo! A long time Popcaan had it coming. A long time Popcaan out in the streets. I know months, and I know weeks, and years, and him did harder years it seems. Him keep on a mention the vendetta boss name, and it's like him no hear and understand so badness it name for the 2017. Alkaline never did a joke. The man angry, and the man mean what him say. First the man answer cartel, and that never did start well, cause the teacher seemed to did last the lesson book, cause him never did come back a class, and that's why Alkaline did have to drop the extra lesson them. But anyways, Stickman did a wonder if Alkaline did a go answer back Popcaan, you know. Popcaan a play with fire and him get bun. Alkaline microwave up him. Alkaline put microwave on Popcaan over 2 and 30 minutes so him get bun. Right about now, Popcaan get bun up. Too much eat. Yo, Alkaline make him know say him legit in a war. Him never fidget in a war. And him a boost up look midget in a war. But him a track star because him run from over the last year. So right now Alkaline make them know say him not run. Him a know you see him road on the tracks. I mean not talk about no running tracks. Me talk about the DJing tracks them. So Popcaan, you go run from down there like you run from over there. And you go hands back. Popcaan, what you go do now dog? Stickman a make you know say you can't run from down there. Yo, Alkaline make that this year go too hard. The man say he will shoot up the car with Popcaan man by game. That a Drake man Popcaan. You get $30 million, a range, and a pack of tampon. And what you do Popcaan? And what you do you know? You do that for tattoo pa an of another man, and another man have a tattoo of you. And wagwan. Yo Popcaan, wanna make you put the battery in your face dog? You say have a M8. Alkaline saying did a wait. The man say not even nothing go hard. He not use it 38, him have a rifle. The man say that TV your mother prayers can't save you no matter how she pray. Yo, it's not a sniper the man have, but the man spot you from a mile a step. The man say him deal with your way. Make your sister squid the vomit out or try at the sight of it. The man say you bad for your sister only. You know bad for him. The man say him lock the city by himself. As somebody cut the key for you. Popcaan, who cut the key? A cartel cut the key, or a Drake cut the key? Cause you look like a 2 key of. Yo, Alkaline make Popcaan know say he need to go sober up, cause he look like him drunk, and I him sing the song say I'm never sober. So Alkaline just a make Papi know say him mind where him a do. The man say them a fool Popcaan, but Popcaan nothing make them fool him, cause him will scold him. Yes, we know say Alkaline keep extra lessons. It look like Popcaan want him keep some extra lessons. Yo, Stickman want know what happened up at the studio what day, and what kind of studio happenings go on when nobody don't know about. What? Stickman I wonder for something like when Drake to get piss pan in a TI studio or something like that when nobody know about, nobody know want release. Stickman want know what go on, cause Popcaan and Drake seem to follow the same type of setting lifestyle them. So Stickman want know what go on and what they happen up at the studio. We need to know that. The people want know. Yo, Alkaline make them know say new year and we need to understand him. A badness it name and the man a stick to him resolution plans. Yo, the man say nah have no militancy. The man say come to your daughter and say nah go buy a cranberry and a buckle of rum for your burial. Yo, the man bring the entire family night. The man bring Popcaan sister night. The man bring Popcaan mother night. I know the man bring Popcaan daughter night. It's a family movie night. Burn up Popcaan for everybody. A target practice for everybody. The man say not nice, him not wise. The man a make everybody know say them a go dead this year. A badness the man say. The man say Popcaan don't drop your top if you don't have a helmet. The man a make them know say heavy body. I go get head split this year. The man now back down from nothing. But the man never answer Tamili. And that everybody want to know why the man never answer Tamili. But we will see. We will see if Tamili get answer the next time. Probably Tamili need to drop a couple hits first. To get the name up in the spotlight. Cause Alka smart and now go bring him up just like that. Yes. So we want to see who next I go get the this. We want to see if Popcaan I go answer. Stickman want to know if Alkaline I go continue on the killing streak for the rest of the year. Well, this is January and him kill Popcaan. In December, in the ricochet pan cartel and cartel never reply. So who will get it in February? A Tamili time or somebody new? That Stickman want to know. I'll be the man to get a Instagram reply. So right now, Alkaline instantly show them what badness mean. Stickman rate that song ya. Stickman feel like that song ya go hard. So Stickman want to know comment in the comment section and comment what go on. Who bother? Who take it? Oh, when Stickman talk, no man walk.
When Stickman talk,
no man walk.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Radical epic.